I'm Daniel.
My name's Robin McCorkle.
I'm Michael Grosser, and we're at the ownCloud conference in Berlin. I'm Michael Grosser, and we're at the ownCloud conference in Berlin. And yeah, we were here to try to improve ownCloud with the hackathon, which started a few days ago. And we will be having a few great talks in the next days. It's actually two talks, one about monetization strategies on free and open source software projects, and one about my work in the community, especially the community demo server, for example, to actually get new users involved, to let them have the ability to test the software and not having the burden to install it. So that you can just drop on the website, test out ownCloud, it's demo.owncloud.org, and then test all the functionality, and that's pretty great to just get started. And if they want, they can either get some providers, for example, and use it for themselves, or install it on their own web space, which is actually the strength of ownCloud, because you have the ability to migrate from different providers, or you have the ability to have the data on your own servers, so you're not really locked into a provider, you're not locked into the scrutiny of data providers, so you're the owner of your data. So ownCloud is the way to go if you need privacy, for example, or want to. I think the ability to host it myself, because I love to do all the things myself, at least till the point that I understand how they work. So I love using hosted services, for example, but I still want to have the control of the data, have the choice to change providers, for example. And with that, you have to study what you're doing. So hosting it yourself first is one goal. So I started trying to install it with version 1.2, and it was pretty difficult back in the day. So it didn't really work out until version 2 came out, and with a few days of work involved, I decided that it's pretty bad for new users to go through the whole process of installing it, and it didn't work and stuff like that. So the idea of the ownCloud demo was born, and yeah, now a lot of problems I had with the demo server and the infrastructure went away, because I had scalability issues in the beginning. It was for weeks, months, even years, the biggest installation with count of users accessing it, for example. It's even still today one of the biggest installations when you count how many requests one user is doing. So that got better a lot. It doesn't really have speed and performance issues. The usability got really good with ownCloud 7, and up until now I was always hesitant to use it for all different aspects like contacts, calendar and stuff like that. But with ownCloud 7 I think we're at the point where we can safely say we can work with it quite.